In a determined stance, US President Joe Biden has pledged to persist in the administration's efforts to secure the release of hostages abducted by Hamas during their attack on Israel 100 days ago. Let's delve into the ongoing efforts and the president's commitment to addressing this pressing issue. In a statement on Sunday, January 15th, Biden said that the United States and its partners have not given up yet. Biden said, in November, working in close coordination with Qatar, Egypt, and Israel, we brokered a 7-day pause in fighting that resulted in the release of 105 hostages, including a 4-year-old American child, and allowed us to surge additional vital humanitarian aid into Gaza. I was deeply engaged into securing, sustaining, and extend that deal. Sadly, Hamas walked away after just 1 week. But the United States and our partners have not given up. Secretary Blinken was back in the region this past week seeking a path forward for a deal to free all those still being held. I look forward to maintaining close contact with my counterparts in Qatar, Egypt, and Israel to return all hostages home and back to their families. In a somber statement, President Joe Biden acknowledged a tragic milestone: 100 days of captivity for over 100 innocent people, including possibly 6 Americans, held hostages by Hamas in Gaza. These individuals have lived in constant fear, uncertain of what each day may bring. The families enduring 100 days of agony continue to pray for the safe return of their loved ones. Throughout this period, the hostages and their families have been at the forefront of my mind as my national security team and I have relentlessly worked to secure their freedom. That's what Biden expressed, according to a White House press release. Biden has reiterated his commitment to the hostages and their families, assuring them that the United States will persist in its efforts. The president expressed, I will never forget the grief and the suffering I have heard in my meetings with the families of the American hostages. No one should have to endure even 1 day of what they have gone through. On this solemn day, I renew my promise to all hostages and their families. We stand by you. Our tireless efforts to bring Americans home will never cease. Simultaneously, Secretary of State Antony Blinken is in a statement emphasizing that US officials are working around the clock to secure the release of every hostage. As the Israel-Hamas conflict persisted, Antony Blinken emphasized the unimaginable suffering endured by hostages over the 100 days. He assured families of hostages that the United States is unwavering in its commitment to their reunification and is tirelessly working around the clock for the hostages to be captive. The ongoing conflict has resulted in a dire humanitarian crisis, with airstrikes straining local hospitals and causing the internal displacement of approximately 1 million people in densely populated Gaza. In terms of casualties, over 1,200 have been reported in Israel, while Gaza's Hamas-controlled Ministry of Health claims more than 20,000 lives lost since Hamas initiated attack on Israel on October 7. Israel has framed its Gaza offensive as a targeted effort to dismantle Hamas's infrastructure to eliminate the entire terrorist group. Throughout these operations, Israel has aimed to minimize civilian casualties.